Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to the BBOY.ONLINE news podcast. Let's take a look on what's going on in the world of breaking. First of all, we have a new 90 world record, 50 rounds by young talent B-boy Malish. Take a look at this while I go and take some coffee. Wow! Breaking for Gold World Series took place in Brazil. Congrats to the winners, B-boy Danny Dan from France and big girl Amir from Japan. The live stream was on the Olympics website, but I think in few days we can find all the battles at Breaking for Gold YouTube channel. There was so many dope b-boys and so many good rounds. For example, b-boy Amir, who won the first place in previous World Series in Japan, lost in top 16 to Menno from Hustle Kids. Looking forward for the rematch that will happen in the next World Series that will be in Montpellier, France on 17th of May. By the way, if you are interested in Breaking for Gold World Series events, you can check out the calendar that is available at breakingforgold.com. WhoGotTheFlower took place in France. And there were a lot of worldwide crews there, from 316 from Russia to Styles Corrupt from Canada. Definitely WhoGotTheFlower is becoming one of the major cultural breaking events of Western Europe. What? 100% you should check all the battles that are available at WhoGotTheFlower official YouTube channel. I'll put down the link. A fresh and very interesting video by b-boy Amir from Predators. 1000 moves, really an infinite video available at his YouTube channel. If you like to watch interviews and podcasts, there are two new podcasts that are available and you definitely should check them out. First of all is a video by b-boy Dyzee from Supernaturals, who is now living in Taiwan, I believe.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dyzee over here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a presentation on how the average Olympic national breaking teams work.
Another great interview is available at Stan's YouTube channel with b-boy Moy from Hardcore and Break Free.
This is gonna be a good one, promise you.
And it's about the energy drink sponsors and originality in breaking. At the same time, Red Bull is getting ready for its Red Bull BC One World Finals. In previous weeks, there were 4 major Red Bull BC One Cyphers. Cypher Taiwan, Cypher Kazakhstan, Cypher Germany and Cypher Holland. Congrats to all the winners, and I think in the next podcast I will start to do the lineup for the last chance Cypher that will be before the World Final as usual. ProBreakingTour in the United States of America with Snipes as a sponsor is starting now. And freestyle session looks like going to be the craziest freestyle session ever, as Cross One, the main organizer, mentioned in his Instagram story. Hope it will be like that, and let's stay tuned for more news to come. Russian National Championships took place in Moscow. Congrats to Alkolil from OBC and Vavi from One PCS with winning. Dope battles, there were also crew battles. All battles are available on FDSR Breaking YouTube channel and on my other channel called Illflow. If you haven't seen the battles, you definitely should check them out. Russian breaking scene is dope as usual. Another good battle to watch, a Formless Multiverse battle with final Tsuki and Hero 10 versus Alvin and Mighty Jake. Also in the semi-finals we can see Lucy Sky and Kuzia from Ukraine and Enzo and Gustas. And a nice battle from Japan, it's called the Boogie Down 2023. The final is the Floaters versus Good Food. As for the upcoming events, on May 13 we have LCB in Belgium and there is some amazing lineup. We have Zut and Vero, Isin and Haruto from Japan, Icy Ives and Mighty Wealthy from the United States of America, Rido and Perninja, and also Tetris and Lucky from Belgium. Looking forward to see some dope battles. LCB has some crazy lineup as usual. World Breaking Classic, also known as World B-Boy Classic, one of the best events I attended in Western Europe, is going to be in June 24 and 25 in Eindhoven in Holland. Early bird tickets are already in sales at worldbreakingclassic.com. Definitely recommend to visit this amazing event hosted by the Ruggeds. Also, they have already announced 2 invited guests. First one is B-Boy Isin from Japan, who really amazed me at the previous Red Bull BC One World Finals. And the second one is one of the most freshest B-Boys from Holland in my personal ranking. It is B-Boy Ozzy. Breaking Summer Fest will take place on July 24 and 25 in Moscow, Russia, and it is open for international participants. There are over $25,000 prize money. If you have an opportunity and if you want to come, please feel free to contact FDSR officials for more information, and they will help you with visa and accommodation. I'll put down the email where you can write and have some extra information about this amazing event. As for tutorials, we have amazing Backrocks tutorial by one and only B-Boy Roxrite from Red Bull BC One All-Stars and the Squadron and Renegades.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
As for BBOY.ONLINE tutorials, tomorrow we have a fresh course by Arsex. It is a footwork course. As for future tutorials, we already have started the work on the next series of courses, and we already shot an amazing flare tutorial by young powerhead B-Boy Grom. And also, I believe next week I'll go to St. Petersburg to shoot a dope tutorial with B-Boy Costa on no hands footwork. And if you have some ideas on what will be interesting for you to watch, please feel free to comment and we'll try to make it happen. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support, please subscribe on our website www.bboy.online. Peace, and I see you next week. I hope so.